Let's solve the exercise 2.2 word problems. And the question is sum of two numbers. Question is given as sum of two numbers. That means there are two numbers. Sum means it is addition. So first number plus second number. Sum is 29. That means they gave, suppose the first number plus second number, addition of these two numbers is 29. They gave like this. Sum of two numbers is equals to 29, and here they gave one hint. That means one number, suppose the number exceeds by another by 5. So one number exceeds another by 5. Exceeds means it is increasing. Second number is increasing by plus 5. Exceeds is increasing by plus 5. So let's consider the first number as x. We don't know the numbers, so unknown numbers will consider as a variable only x. Let one number be x and the second number, so second number is exceeds by 5. So by 5, so x plus 5. Say it is sum of two numbers is 29. The question is sum of two numbers is 29. So we consider the first number as x and second number as x plus 5. So this is the second number and this is the first number. So sum of these two numbers addition is 29. Now from this equation we have to find the variable x, value of x. Then we'll get that one number, first number. So here x plus x is 2x plus 5 is equals to 29. Now here 2x is there. Now constant plus 5 we will transpose to RHS. So first write the RHS constant, that is 29. Now plus 5 when we transpose to RHS it changes as minus 5. So 2x equal to 29 minus 5 is 24. Now here 2 is in multiplication form. When it transpose to RHS it will change as division. X equal to 24 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Therefore the value of x we got equal to 12. That means this is the first number we got. So first number x we consider as x. So x equal to 12, and second number we consider as x plus 5. Second number is equals to x plus 5. That means 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 is equals nothing but 17. So 12 plus 5 is 17. Now first number plus second number addition, we got the RHS as 29. Let's solve, is it correct value of x is correct or not. So first number, sum of two numbers is 29. No, first number is 12, second number is 17, and the sum of these two numbers should come as 29. So 12 plus 17 is 29, and the RHS is also 29. So both LHS and RHS are equal. That means the value of x is correct. So we find the first number value as correct and the second number is also correct. So this is the answer. X is, first number is 12 and the second number is 17. So remember, when you're solving the word problems, first understand the question, what the question is there, and make it as a simpler form. We have to bring the question as equation, like variables. From that you have to find the variable for value of unknown numbers. Exercise 2.2 third problem. We'll solve exercise 2.2 third problem. So the word problem is, what are those two numbers? What are those two numbers? Underline, what are those two numbers whose sum is 58? Whose sum is 58? So here also same two numbers are there. Sum of those two numbers is addition is 58. That is 58 should become in RHS. whose sum is 58 and difference is 28. So the first number, we don't know the first number. What are the two numbers? No, one's first number we don't know, and the second number they gave as difference is 28. So first number we'll consider as, let's solve the solution. See, they gave sum of two numbers is 58. Now first number we'll consider as x. Let the first number equal to x, and second number we'll consider as, here they mention difference is 28. So whenever the difference is there means it is subtraction. That means first number minus 28. First we consider as x minus 28. So these two will be in LHS. Sum of these two numbers, sum of these first two numbers, sum of these two numbers is 58. So first number as x and second number as sum means it is addition, no? So that's why I'm keeping between of these two numbers a plus symbol. And next x minus 12, sorry, x minus 28 is equals to RHS. RHS sum of these two numbers is 58 they gave. Now x plus x is 2x is equals to 58. We'll write the constant of RHS first. Now this minus 28 will transpose, when we transpose to RHS it changes as plus 28. So 2x equal to 58 plus 28. 8 8 16. 8 8 16, carry goes to the 1 number, 5 6 7 8. So 58 plus 28 is 86. I'm writing here our equation we got 2x equal to 86. Now 2 is in multiplication form, will transpose to LHS, sorry RHS, so it will change as division. 86 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6. So x value we got as 43. This is the first number we got, x equal to 43. So first number equal to 43. And let's find the second number. We consider as x minus 28. Second number we consider as x minus 28. This is x minus 28. So substitute x value of x, 43 minus 28. Now 43 minus 28 is, so 13 minus 8 will get 5. 3 minus 2 1. So 15. 15. Now let's value of first number we got 43, and second number we will consider as equation 1, and second number we got as 15. Let's check by adding sum of the two numbers they mention as 58. No, first number we got as 43 and addition of 15, second number you should get 58. So 3 plus 5 is 8, 4 plus 1 is 5. So both we got correct. So that means our value of x is correct. So first number is 43 and second number is 15. So sum of these two numbers we got RHS as 58. So whenever remember, then all the word problems you should consider as x only. For sum, whenever you see the sum of two numbers means first number you should consider as x, and second number they will give you one clue in the question. So when sometimes they will mention difference and sometimes they mention more than or it is exceeds, as like last problem. So more than or exceeds it is means we have to do addition of this number, difference means we have to subtract. So like this we have to bring it in an equation. After that we'll solve the problem. We'll get the value of first number and second number. Now exercise 2.2, the fourth question, the sum of two consecutive odd numbers. Sum of two odd consecutive numbers they gave. It is odd consecutive number. It is 56. Same like the previous two sums how we did. Sum of two numbers. So again we have to consider first number and second number. Always first number will consider as x, and second number we will, by according to the question, we have to move second number. The sum of two numbers they mentioned as 56. So RHS is 56. Now consecutive numbers. Here the mention given is consecutive odd numbers. So we know odd numbers. So let's write the odd number. Odd numbers equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, so on, like that. So consecutive means it is a continuous numbers. Now here, but they mention odd consecutive numbers. So odd numbers we have to make it as a variable. So first number will consider as x, and second number as x plus. So first number if we consider as 1, so to make it as 3 we have to write, so 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is the first number will be considered as x. Suppose x equal to 1, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. We'll get like this odd numbers. Now, so first number is x, second number is x plus 2. To make it as odd numbers, continuous consecutive odd numbers, so we consider as first number as x and second number as x plus 2. Now equation becomes first number plus sum of this odd number, first number plus second number is 56. So x plus x is 2x plus 2 is equals to 56. Now 2x equal to 56 minus 2. So 56 minus 2, root 56 minus 2. So 2x equal to 56 minus 2, if we get 54 we will get. Now x equal to transpose x 2 to RHS, so 54 by 2 we will get. Now we'll do cancellation. 2 ones are 2, less than 5 in 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 carry goes to the next number. So next number become 14. So 2 sevens are 14. So value of x equal to 27. This is the first number of odd number is 27 we got. And second number, that is x plus 2. That means 27 plus 2. 27, 28, 29. So second number is 29. So sum of these two numbers is 56. Let's check sum of these two numbers 56 we got or not. That means 27 first number plus second number. First number is 27 plus second number. We should get 56. 9, 10, 7 add 1s plus 9 and 7 will get 16. 1 carry goes to the next number, 2, 2, 4, 5. So 56 equal to 56. So both LHS and RHS are same. So here the values of x and first number and second number are correct. Like this we have to bring the equation in the question word problem and equation and then solve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share my video.